Hey friends! Welcome back to the Mary Kay YouTube channel. My name is Alika, and today we're talking Mary Kay Clinical Solutions Boosters 101 and answering some of your most frequently asked questions. But before we jump in, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button below to be notified when new Mary Kay videos are being posted. So what exactly is a booster? Boosters complement any skincare routine and are a solution-specific skincare option designed to address a very targeted skin concern. They can help take your skincare to the next level with high concentration ingredients. And what makes them different from a serum? Well, serums often feature several key ingredients alongside a blend of other skin-loving additions such as botanicals and extracts. So, boosters target a singular benefit. Serums take a broader, multi-benefit approach. Mary Kay offers two boosters. The first, Mary Kay Clinical Solutions C+ Resveratrol Line Reducer, is a serious solution for lines and wrinkles. It helps support and target critical components of skin aging. The second, Mary Kay Clinical Solution HA+ Ceramide Hydrator, delivers critical moisture to the skin and supports the skin's barrier. Both contain highly potent, concentrated ingredients designed to complement your existing skincare routine. You can use one or both depending on your skin's needs. Let's talk order of application. First, cleanse your skin with your favorite Mary Kay cleanser. Then follow with a toner if that's part of your normal routine. Next, grab a booster. You can use 6 to 8 drops, but individual usage may vary depending on personal preference. Add a few drops into your hand and apply. If you want to use both boosters, start with the C+ Resveratrol Line Reducer. Wait just a few seconds to absorb, then you can follow with the HA+ Ceramide Hydrator. We recommend not mixing the two boosters together in your hand. These can be used twice a day during your morning and evening skincare routine. One caveat: if you are in the middle of the 8-week retinization process using the Mary Kay Clinical Solutions Retinol 0.5, you'll want to skip the C+ Resveratrol Line Reducer. However, once you are through the 8-week retinization process, you can use the line reducer in the morning and/or on alternate evenings when you are not using the Retinol 0.5. If you are using the Retinol and/or Mary Kay Clinical Solutions Calm and Restore Facial Milk, you can apply that now. Then follow with any serum you may normally use. Finish off with your Mary Kay moisturizer. If you have any questions about your skincare routine, the correct order of application, or Mary Kay Clinical Solutions boosters, drop a comment below. Or reach out to your Mary Kay independent beauty consultant. I'm certain she will love to help you. If you learned something new in this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and check out these other videos I think you'll like. See you next time.